When dieting, weight loss motivation can be a bit elusive. The constant cycle of putting on weight, losing weight, then again putting on weight and losing weight can become tiresome and demotivating. The hard part of a diet is the motivation issue. The following tips come from various courses and seminars to help you get rid of weight and find that weight loss motivation. Tip 1. Know what you want. Make sure you know exactly how much weight you want to get rid of. Some weight just doesn't cut it, so have an exact figure of what your target weight is and how much you are losing. Tip 2. Stay off the scales. Don't weigh yourself every day, it'll dent your weight loss motivation and frustrate you. Instead, choose one day a week when you are going to weigh yourself, and weigh yourself every day at the same hour. I usually recommend Mondays as you may be at your heaviest after the weekend's excesses. Tip 3. Measure yourself. Often weight loss isn't immediately noticeable through weight, but is more obvious through inches lost. So, measure your chest, waist, hips, and thighs and save your results. Tip 4. Track your progress. Motivation comes from seeing results, so track your weight loss and your measurements shrinking, and you will find yourself being more motivated to lose weight. Tip 5. Eat regularly. Most dieters think that by skipping meals they are going to lose weight quickly. No. It doesn't work like that. If you skip meals, then your body starts to think there's a famine coming, which means your body piles on the fat to survive the famine. Eat regular meals. Tip 6. Don't deny yourself. Many dieters will deny themselves anything naughty such as chocolate, cakes and so on. Trouble is when you deny yourself something, you want it more. So instead choose not to have it, because then you're in control. Occasionally, you may choose to have it, which is great too. Tip 7. Drink, drink, drink. And no, I don't mean alcohol. I mean yummy, delicious water. Drink plenty of it, as it will flush toxins from your body and help keep you healthy. The experts recommend that you should drink at least 2 liters, just over 4 pints, of water every single day. Avoid caffeinated drinks and fizzy sodas, as these don't help quench your thirst or remove the toxins from your system. These 7 tips for weight loss motivation and success will help you to rapidly lose weight with the minimum of trouble. For more weight loss information, click the links in the description below. Enjoy and have a great day.